Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about fuel induction services and how important these can be to your vehicle. Especially today with direct injected vehicles, we've seen a lot more carbon buildup on valves and intake runners, etc., because we're not spraying fuel on top of the valve. When a valve starts to build up carbon, it piles up on the backside of the valve and actually robs the vehicle of performance and fuel mileage. So doing a fuel induction service yearly, which removes all the carbon off the valves, helps clean out the throttle body, removing carbon there for idle control and idle stability, makes a vehicle run better and removes performance problems. On direct injected vehicles, if this is not done regularly, you end up with a carbon buildup that can often cause misfires in the morning and things like that. If the carbon buildup gets too bad on this vehicle, or these vehicles, you would have to remove the intake and actually use walnut shells to blast the valves to remove this carbon, which becomes a very expensive process. So what we like to do is a 3-part induction service with a throttle body cleaning. In doing so, keeps that carbon reduced on the valves, the intake runners clean, the air-fuel mixture mixes up really well on a vehicle, and the vehicle stays running well.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.